Hey, Suffolk Camper here, welcome to my channel. I've got a really nice camping trip set up for tonight. I'm going to be staying here tonight in this lovely pine forest that you can see. I've already got all my gear and tent set up behind me, so I'll show you that in a minute. I think it's going to be a nice night and I'm hoping you'll stick around for the video. It's really lovely weather for it, really nice and warm. The sun's behind the clouds at the moment, but even still it's just really hot. I'm practically sweating just standing here in a shorts and t-shirt. But anyhow, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe and drop a comment below for anything you have to say. All channel support is appreciated. So anyhow, I'm now going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you around and show you the tent and stuff like that. All right. Thank you again for joining me. I'll see you in a bit. Back again. So I'm just showing you these pine woods where I am. It's really nice. Sun is starting to set over there, I believe. Here is my tent, my usual Vango. I was actually going to bring out my smaller gear top tent, but because it's really warm, I think that'll condensate on the inside really bad, and that'll just become dripping wet. So as you can see, I've got my chair. It's a little bit wonky, but I'll fix that. So here I've got some food and drink. I've got some plain water because I'm not drinking alcohol tonight, and I've got some of these these instant ready meals. These are kind of like freeze-dried camping survival meals. This one's chili con carne, and this one's tikka masala. I doubt I'll be eating both of them, but I brought one as a backup just in case, because I had a huge pizza before I come out, because I'm not that hungry. But camping can be a really hungry activity, so I've got two of these just in case. And I've got some gas for my camping stove, which is there. Inside, just the usual setup. Just got my sleeping mat, my little lights hanging up, my usual French sleeping bag. I've got all my cameras and gear, a couple of books to read in there. So that's my little home for tonight. I'm keeping it closed because I don't want any flies or mosquitoes and stuff getting in there. But that's what I've got going on for tonight. That's going to be my cozy little zone. So yeah, this is it for tonight. It's not sure what time it is, maybe about coming up to 8 o'clock, maybe 7:30, 8 o'clock. It's not that late. But anyhow, yeah, I'm now going to take a seat for a while and chill out because I've been quite busy. So I'm going to turn the camera off and be back in a bit. All right, hang on. Oh, hi, back again. Oh dear, it's a warm one. I finally got everything set up, so now I just want to relax for a bit. It's about 8 o'clock, so it won't be that long before it's dark now. But if you're joining me, thank you for joining me. I appreciate everyone who watches and views, and it's good to see you here, and I'm glad that you're watching. It's just, I want to make the most of the summer weather while we have it, because summers in England, they don't tend to be the best, not always. And this is really the only month of decent weather we've had. I mean, June and July were okay, but we had a lot of rain and grey weather, and even even though it wasn't particularly cold, it wasn't that great either. So I'm going to enjoy every sunny day that I have while I can. I haven't brought any alcohol with me. I'm not going to drink anymore during my camping trips, because if you drink alcohol while camping, I feel that the experience becomes more about drinking than actually camping. It's not, it's a camping trip, it's not a piss up. And also there's a hazard there as well. You're more prone to accidents and getting hurt, and stuff like that. It's not good to be drunk in the middle of nowhere. So, there's lots of reasons, but I'm not going to be drinking anymore. So, as you saw there, I've just got my water and my food, and that's gonna be how it's gonna be from now on. And also, if I get a problem, I can just pack up and drive home if I want to, whereas I can't if I've been drinking. And also, I like to be on my wits around me when I'm in the middle of nowhere. When I'm out in the countryside, I like to have my wits about me and be a bit sharp. And obviously, if you've downed, 5-6 beers and some whiskey, that's not going to be the case. So, and thankfully, I don't seem to be being attacked by too many mosquitoes. So that's something as well. So yeah, I'm just going to chill here. I've got a couple of nice books to read. I'm starting to get dehydrated, so I'm going to have some water in a bit. So yeah, that's it for now, really. I might, excuse me, I might go for a walk a bit later when it gets dark for a bit of fun. I'll see how it goes. But yeah, anyhow, that's it for now. So thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you soon, alright? See you in a bit. Hey, how's it going? The camera makes my eyes look dark. Kind of spooky. It's because the sun's going down. It's poor light. Anyhow, I'm just sitting here. It's so quiet out here. You can hear a pin drop. The silence is almost eerie. You can just about hear a faint breeze every now and then, but it's super silent and peaceful out here. Which is one of the reasons I come out here. But I just wanted to get one more segment in before it gets dark and I'm in the pitch black. But I can smell the I can smell the pine. I can smell like the pine woods in the air. It's a really nice smell. Makes a change from the exhaust fumes and stuff from the town centre. But anyhow, if you watched this far, thank you for sticking with me. I'm hoping you'll stay around for the rest of the video. When it gets dark, I'll probably light up the little wood stove. Get a little bit of a mini fire going and do some food on the gas stove. So I just keep looking around, because when it starts to get dark I become more aware of things, you know. Anyhow, I'm going to I'm going to call that it for now, and I'll speak to you soon. All right. Thank you. Bye. Hey, how's it going? Back again. So I'm inside the safety of the tent. I've got my little light on back there. It's all nice and cozy in here. Let's put the torch down. No, can't see anything. Oh, hang on. I can just about see. So yeah, it's 10 o'clock at night exactly. It's now pitch dark outside, like totally dark. Because now it's kind of mid-August. The days are starting to get shorter slightly, and the nights are getting longer again. Not long ago, it probably still would have been some daylight at 10 o'clock, but obviously the seasons are changing now. But it's still lovely and warm. It'll most likely be warm through September as well, most of it anyway. I think I'll probably get the twig stove going, just to enjoy a bit of natural fire and flame for a bit, and then I'll just think about what I'm doing after that. You know, I was thinking the other day, what I'd do if what I'd do if something happened. You know, like say for example, I don't know, like say if I looked outside and I saw someone like standing outside, or if I was in their tent and I could hear people creeping, you know, or a person like creeping around the tent or something. Like, what would I do in that situation? I don't really know, you know. I guess I'll just have to deal with it as best as I can at the time. But I think, like, when you're out camping, stuff like that does sometimes cross your mind, you know. I think you have to prepare you have to prepare yourself for the fact that, you know, maybe someday something does actually happen and you come across some undesirable, or you have a scary experience. I mean, camping's generally very safe. I mean, I know people who have been doing this for years and they've never really had a problem. But I think you should also consider the fact, you know, that things can happen. You know, and you know, there are people out there, you know. But in a way, it's part of the excitement. It's what makes it's what makes camping partly exciting, and it's what makes, you know, like good videos, like the kind of small risk factor, I guess. So yeah, I don't know why. I was just thinking about that. I thought I heard rain. Is it raining? No, I think it's just the wind. But yeah, anyhow, Yeah, so I think I'm going to get a little fire going in my little wood stove for a little while. Okay, so I'm going to start doing that, and I'll catch you guys soon. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a bit. You're all back again. You see what I mean? It's just totally pitch black now. There's not even the slightest breeze. There's quite a few moths about, but you can hear a pin drop out here. You can hear the occasional plane going by up above. So that's pretty much it. Let's see if I can see if I can clear a space somewhere to set up the twig stove. But I just wanted to scan the area first, as I like to know what's around me. When it's dark, you know. Anyhow, I'll be back soon. Okay, let's get this little stove lit. Nice to have just a little fire, you know. These chunks are actually quite big. We'll start with that, see how it gets on. Knock the light over. It's just nice to have a bit of natural flame, you know. Yeah, that's going quite nicely. You can hear that crackling. I love that crackling sound. Just the natural light of the fire now. Nothing else. Hopefully we'll keep the bugs away as well. There's quite a few bugs about tonight. This is what you call a relaxing summer's night. Anyhow, I'll be back soon. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys. Oh, back again. I'm just going to take a quick walk down to the footpath just to have a look about. What way did I come? I think it was this way. Yeah, this is the way. I think down here. I swear there's so many optical illusions. Every dark patch, every shadow. Honestly, it creeps you out. What way did I walk? Just gonna walk this way. I hope for the best. It's a nightmare walking through all this. Oh, damn it. It's easy to get turned around, actually. You know, I'm not actually sure this is a good idea. Because, I mean, I could easily get lost finding my way back to the tent. Hang on. I think it might actually be better if I headed back. Yeah, I can see the tent over there. Just about. If I turn this light off, it's just totally pitch black. Yeah. I don't think I'll honestly be able to find my way back. Yeah, I'm not going to chance it, I don't think. Hang on. Might be able to. Oh, let's change hands. Hang on. Can I see the tent from here? I think I can. Oh, I can just about see it through there. I don't think you can see it from here through the camera, but I can see it. The footpath is over here. I'm more or less there now, so ow! Oh, I must be mad. I must be mad doing this. Yeah, there's kind of a track worn here where I've been going in and out. Looks like other people have too, to be honest. Okay, so I'm now on the footpath. If I can remember my surroundings. There's a large pine tree there and a birch tree there. So if I remember that. Okay, hang on a minute, I'm just going to turn the camera off for a bit. I'm going to walk down here for a bit. Back again. This place is lovely during the day, but when it's pitch dark at night, it's a little bit spooky. It's eerily silent. Like eerily silent. Like I don't hear any birds, like nightjars, night birds, like crickets, nothing. I mean, I would have thought surely you'd hear at least some wildlife, but I've got really bad tinnitus, like ringing in the ears, so it could possibly be that there is something that I can't hear it. Oh. Let's walk a bit further. I hope to God I just don't get lost and can't find my way back to the tent in the dark, because then I'm in real trouble. Is this the pathway? Yeah. I remember it being wider than this last time. I'm a little bit paranoid, but at the same time, I do have like a sense of peace and quiet. Oh man, it's scared. Did you hear that? Something suddenly fluttered over there. I think it was a bird. Okay, I'm going to go a bit further down. Oh, what am I doing? Keep walking on this natural archway here. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off for a sec, hang on. I'll see you in a bit. Hey, back again. Just say the Fido Trail. So I've come to the wherever the Fido Trail is. I've come quite a way now. Myself's down here. See what's down here. So I've come to like a dirt track. I mean, this would go for miles either way, and I don't want to go any further from the tent really. So I'm getting a bit paranoid as well now. So yeah, I'm going to head back to the tent, I think, before I get totally lost. What's that? What's a stick? Yeah, I'm going to start heading back. I'll catch you guys soon, alright? I'll see you back at the tent. Hey guys, how's it going? Back again. So as you can see, I'm back in the safety of the tent now. I've had my little walk. I don't want to risk going too far and leaving all my stuff here, you know, unguarded, and you know, anything can go wrong. Because normally if I go for a walk, I'll carry a spare torch, but I realised I didn't have a spare torch with me, so if my main torch died, I would have been screwed, because I wouldn't have been able to see a thing. So I didn't want to leave all my stuff here unguarded for too long either. But anyhow, if you watched so far, I really appreciate you watching. And I'm not going to cook any food because I'm just not hungry. Because normally around this time I'm pretty hungry, but I'm just not feeling it. So I'm also quite tired as well, so I think I'm going to call it a night. So yeah, I'm going to get some sleep now. So if you watched this far, as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Thank you. Good night. Morning. It's about 7:45 in the morning, and I managed to get some sleep, which is good. I'm not sure exactly how much sleep I got, but I think I got enough. So I need to think about getting up and getting packed up and getting home, because I want a nice hot shower and a coffee to freshen up. So anyhow, I shall see you outside. Daylight again. It's all nice and sunny. Well, it's nice out here again. I think it's going to be quite warm today. But it's not warm at the moment. It's quite cool. I could put a top on actually. But anyhow, I now want to get packed up and get going home, so I'm going to turn this off for now and I'll catch you in a bit. Alright, see you soon. Hey, back again. Okay, so as you can see, I'm all packed up now. I'm in the van ready to go. Everything's cleared up. The place is exactly how I left it. There's no litter, no trace that I was there, no sign of a fire or anything. As always, you know, I always make sure I leave places as I find them. So anyhow, I want to now go home and have a shower and a coffee and feed my cats. If you've watched this far, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all my viewers and you taking the time to watch. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe and drop a comment below in the comment section. And I will see you again soon in the next video. Thank you again. Bye bye.